welcome to subscriptiontradings.com. In this video, we are going to be reviewing last week's subscription trade alerts for the week starting September 28th through October 2nd, which was yesterday, Friday. So we have our alerts on here. Should we maybe start with the summary overall and then go to the detail? So the summary was week 19 after 19 weeks. So average move per trade this week actually fell down a little bit, 5.9%. But hey, we just go with the variation of the markets, right? And the win percentage, we had 15, how many did we have this week? 15 or 14 stocks, and 60% using that 4% plus some greater than 4% move in absolute value. That being average per move trade still at 8.3. And we had 110 bagger, at least in the way to compute it. I'm going to explain about a trade that first we didn't take into account, and the average is about the same on here. I didn't even update this. Maybe it's 2.3 here. So if you want to be very specific, let's go to the stock, the individual stock. So should we maybe start with the first one, the one that was not on the list of alert, but definitely we started Monday with a gangster trade, right? We made that video on Monday the 28th. Can I bring that? So that video is here already, or just searching for it on here. So September the 28th, this trade actually worked out beautifully because there was a possibility to enter it as usual with very cheap contracts, and we start selling those contracts on the same day. So it ended up being part day trade, part a swing trade for us. So we are not counting that in here in terms of its performance, but actually we should, because it's a trade that we were giving. I mean, you guys let me know. We were giving it in the pre-market, the stock gaps, and we took against a trade, which we do most of the time. Actually, we shared with the community of YouTube traders if you were with us. So if you were not, that's your opportunity to subscribe, yeah? Such that you know that YouTube can notify you the exact starting of our daily markets pre-market analysis, which is 8:40 Eastern time every day. Yeah. You will gain by getting some trades, obviously. Then through the week here, we have a 10 bagger. Halliburton was bearish, yeah, and for really in this bearish direction, Halliburton paid a lot. Those put the pay a lot, but surprisingly, something that we have an habit here. Going into Friday, we straddled them with the 11 puts, 11 calls, and both actually paid because we opened deep in the money, relatively speaking. Yeah, but the $10 stock, that's 4% in the money. Yeah, that's deep in the money. I was like, yeah, this one was an $11 stock going into Friday, and the Friday calls, they actually paid nicely. It went all the way to 11.40. So that's really the value of buying that insurance there. You made money on the insurance, it's on the primary position itself with the gap down on the puts, and you made money on the calls as well. So the other one that really works well on here was LULU. LULU, the 340 calls, I believe that's how do we show that on here? So where's our trade alerts for last week? That was September 19. LULU was in there. Trust me, we added LULU here. LULU was added here on the 27th Sunday late because there was a mist on here on the late. So the 340 calls, they went in the money, my friend. I was just reviewing with somebody who just joined the trade on LULU. Let's bring it back here because this is an opportunity for us to show how did this work. So we share. And I have to go to my update. So for us, how do we prepare for the markets, right? We prepare for the markets on Sunday by creating a watch list of options. Yeah, and then we take the trade when there is movement on that watch list of option. As simple as that. There is no secret. So in this case here, I am going to find this to say that last Friday, not this past Friday, the Friday before, right? When we were getting rid on the 25th, the LULU 340 calls closed at 94 bid and $1.09 ask. So when we started the week, and I know this because I just took a look at that, look where they went. 340 calls for LULU at this time they're trading for less than 60 cents. What time is it on here? This was Monday, 7:27 a.m. So you go in from $1 something to less than 60 cents. So that's over 40% of the value that's just vanished on this out of the money option, because we are paying for data for Saturday and Sunday. An hour into the session, you could get them cheaper, my friend. 60 cents. I've messed up. But now let me show you what happened. So the 28th, which is Monday, toward the close of the day. Where are they now? 74 cents, 78 cents. Catch the drift. Something is happening here? No, not here. Let's see here. Then the 30th, which is 2 days later. Where are the LULU? $1.55, $1.79. You have gotten these things for less than 60 cents. Okay. So was that all? Can we show better than that? $2.75, $2.28. Yeah. Okay. And what is this? On the 1st, on Thursday. On this same Thursday, my friend, this contract will go as close to $6. And you got them from 60 cents or that. Actually, this is a 10 bagger. I think you're showing something. This is, well, a 10 bagger. Yeah, that's really a 10 bagger. We've got that's on Asda. So that this trade worked well. The other trade that's worked well, Squared, Twitter. MU wasn't that great. MU had earnings, but there was little made on it. FCX, the put did pay. The put did pay, believe it or not. Even though the highest it went this way, the put, because the run was late on Friday, but the puts, the 15.5 puts, they paid. They paid decently. Caterpillar on Friday, oh man, that run was just beautiful if you've gotten that. So yeah, all in all, the market was difficult to trade in the sense that the overall market as a whole wasn't moving that much. If we look at the chart of SPY, there was a lot of sideways, but some individual stocks on here, definitely there were opportunity to make money on there, as we highlighted with I always say SPCE. It's Virgin Galactic, Halliburton, LULU, some Square, and I will say late. Early in the week, McDonald moves a little bit. But then, yeah, that's give you 5-6 stocks to make money on the list on here. So we're taking a look at SPY to show you the lack of movement overall this past week on SPY. This is a 15-minute chart, but we're not going to see that much on the maybe a 4-hour chart. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart, how the week went. Look at the range. 332, 337, 5 points. I mean, 5 point, you had the 5 point just between Friday and Monday, the gap on there. And so hence we close here. If we go to the daily now, we close here just shy of the EMA 20, the green line, at 334.12 with another upper week shadow. But then they did it here and then the gap up again. It's anybody guess, my friend, what will be transferring next week. But for us, we are gearing up for earnings starting October the 14th, or what's that Thursday? Is that the 15th, the 14th, or the 16th? But before that, we still have to go. Is October the 15th, earnings season start, folks. So you can set up your earnings run for some of the stock that will have earning on that week to see if they're going to be trading bullishly or giving us any trend. But it's expensive, but that's a strategy that you can use as well. Well, if not, we are eagerly awaiting, let's say, the futures tomorrow. Now, we don't sweat the futures. You know that I'm joking. We don't sweat the futures. Whatever the futures are, come Monday morning in pre-market, we will determine a plan, just like we did last Friday, right? Last Friday, we said, hey, let's buy the dip from the get-go, and that's what they did, right? So meaning, if you get yourself into calls early on SPY, you made some decent money on the for Friday. So now you can parlay that money next week into more money, and while awaiting the earnings season in October. Thank you for your time, wherever you are catching us from. Have a great evening. And oh, by the way, we announced our lucky winner, Mr. Renzo T. I'm not sure why I'm saying Mr. Renzo T. Let's just say Renzo T was the person who was drawn to be part of successful trading for free for the entire month of October. So, Mr. Renzo T, if you're watching the video, I say Mr. again. Renzo T, if you're watching the video, please email Successful Trading such that you can make your claim. We'll give you access to our Discord. We give you access to our alerts for an entire month. So that's 4 weeks or 5 weeks. If October is that long, we give you access to full training. Yes, one-on-one coaching for free. Isn't that marvelous? We're trying to do our best on here. We appreciate you. So if you want to be like Renzo T, subscribe to our channel and we will do another drawing at the end of October. Until then, have a great day, have a great evening, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye. So welcome to subscriptiontradings.com. In this video,